In this video, we'll provide an overview of Proven Optics' Cloud Cost Observability Platform. The Cloud Cost Observability Platform is one of 5 products available from Proven Optics today. 3 of those products specialize in IT financial management. 2 of the products specialize in FinOps. The Cloud Cost Observability software enables a business to aggregate their billing data from one to many cloud providers. The solution supports out-of-the-box Google, Microsoft, and Amazon, with the ability to extend support to include other providers, whether they be other public cloud providers or metered data center cloud services. Once the solution has been configured to have access to billing data, the next step in setting up the application is the grouping of costs. This solution enables the ability to take individual billing items from the cloud bills and to map them to logical groupings of costs that can then be leveraged for allocations. And those cost allocations could enable cost recovery, such as billing, showback, chargeback. These groupings of costs also enable better cost planning. And that specifically relates to forecasting and budgeting for future cloud growth. Cost groups support both the ability to define dedicated as well as shared distributions of the expenses generated from cloud usage. The forecasting utility within the Cloud Cost Observability app enables an organization to predict where the cloud bill is going, not just reporting on where spend has occurred in the past. The product comes pre-configured with an out-of-the-box forecasting method and look-back period. So with zero touch from your organization, the software will immediately establish a forecast for where the bill is likely to go in the future. That pre-established forecast can then be overridden by users. Users can specify their own growth rates that override the historical forecasting method. They can also include what's called amendments or additional predicted usage that's not based upon history, but instead is based upon other drivers of growth around cloud usage. The combination of forecasting methods enables organizations to achieve 95+% accuracy in predicting where their cloud bill is going to be a month from now, a quarter from now, or even a year from now. Next, Cloud Cost Observability provides functionality that enables the grouping of costs into budget lines and budget groups, thereby enabling an organization to take the costs that are being generated in the cloud and organize them in such a way that they are relevant to the business. Cost groups plus forecasts equal budgets, and these budgets can either be set by the user or they can default to the forecasted values predicted by the engine. Our customers are achieving 99% accuracy in their annual budgeting process around cloud, leveraging the Cloud Cost Observability's product's ability to forecast and to have forecasting inform budget. Last in the setup of the software is the definition of your contracts, whether it be a Google contract, a Microsoft contract, or an Amazon contract. This utility will track your commitment, your usage. It will calculate rollover amounts should those provisions exist in your contract, ultimately with the benefit of ensuring that you are on track as an organization to meet the commitments you're making to your providers. And if you're under or over your commit, the sister product of the Cloud Cost Observability product, the planning software from Proven Optics, can help guide your organization's decisions around how to best utilize the contracts that have been put in place. Once the configuration has been defined and set up in the Cloud Cost Observability product, you have 3 mechanisms to consume the data. One mechanism is through our pre-built integration to Looker for customers who have Google Workspace. The second option is Power BI integration for those organizations that leverage Office 365 and Microsoft 365. Third use case is our native integration into the ServiceNow platform. And we'll use ServiceNow as a way to showcase the value of the output that comes from Proven Optics Cloud Cost Observability product. There are multiple pre-configured dashboards that come out of the box with our ServiceNow integration. The first dashboard being historical spend. This dashboard allows an organization to visualize both their infrastructure and their cloud marketplace license spend in a single visual. This spend can include multiple clouds, or it can be configured to only show the trends related to a specific cloud. Second dashboard is for budget tracking. So once the budgets have been established within the Proven Optics Cloud Cost Observability product, this view enables you to track how you're trending against that budget. The product supports the ability to track budgets across multiple fiscal years, both in the past and in the future. You can drill down based upon your groupings of budgets, ultimately with the goal of being able to identify how are you trending on the current month, how did we execute on the previous month, and how are we trending overall in the fiscal year. The value of the budget tracker is to give a mechanism to alert the business when there's variance between what was set as a budget and what's actually being consumed and predicted to be consumed within a fiscal year. The third dashboard is budget details. This dashboard, similar to budget tracking, allows an organization to visualize their expenditures by budget group. The difference between the tracking dashboard and the details dashboard is the details allow you to get deeper insight into your costs, your credits, and both your historical as well as future months of actual and predicted consumption. So for organizations looking to drill down into the individual billing items and cost groups that are generating the expenses that are rolling up to a budget, this is the dashboard for them. Last dashboard is the contract commitment tracker. And in this demo environment, we're looking at a Google contract where we have 2 fiscal year commitments with a different commitment amount in each year. What this dashboard enables is quick visualization of how we are trending against our commitment against the contracts. And the benefit to the business is an automated, proactive means of being able to visualize if they are in a good contract and if they are driving to the appropriate usage within the contract. Many of these cloud contracts will require a business to write a check for a service that's not being utilized if they end the contract term, either on an annual basis or on a multi-year basis, without meeting that commitment. And so this view helps a business stay in front of those decisions. And again, pairs nicely with Proven Optics planning software so that if there's ever a deficit of usage to meet a commitment, you can quickly visualize workloads that are good candidates to ensure the business is getting optimal value for its spend. That concludes our demonstration of Proven Optics Cloud Cost Observability product. This solution, again, is leveraged by our customers in conjunction with the other applications available for purchase within the Proven Optics IT financial management portfolio. This particular piece of software, which specializes in FinOps, also integrates nicely into Proven Optics' other IT financial management portfolio products. So the solution can be leveraged standalone to get better visibility and better control over your cloud spend, or it can be used in conjunction with Proven Optics budgeting, cost modeling, and IT billing products so that an organization has a holistic end-to-end solution for both data center and cloud expenditures. Thank you for your time in viewing the video today. Please come back and look at other videos that will give you greater insight into how Proven Optics can help your organization both get better visibility and control over your IT expenditures.